Hello guys, welcome to Technique Force Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to install CourseFunnels in a subfolder on your domain. Let's begin. In the previous video, I have shown you how to install CourseFunnels in the root domain. Now, to install CourseFunnels in a subfolder on your domain, what we need to do is first go to the membership login page and sign in. It will then lead you to the CourseFunnels homepage. Now we're here on the homepage of the membership CourseFunnel. For installing CourseFunnel, go to the Manual Installation tab found on the sidebar. Then you will see a download button to download the CourseFunnel script zip file. Just click on it and you will see the zip folder downloading on the bottom left corner. But since I have already downloaded mine, I will not proceed with this. But in your case, please wait for it to finish. So now we will move on to the installation process. You can install it on any kind of Linux-based hosting. For example, I have a cPanel hosting. I am opening my hosting and will log in. Once you're logged in, go to your file manager located in the File section. Click on it and it will open on a new tab. Now select where you want to install your CourseFunnels. If you're installing it in your main domain, then you have to install it in the public_HTML folder. And on that folder, you can create another folder called CourseFunnels, and you can install it in your main domain. Since I am installing it on a subdomain, I'll choose my subdomain. And in the subdomain, I will create a new folder named course_funnel. Then click on the Create New Folder button. You will then see the new folder here. Click on it and you will find that it is empty right now. Here we have to upload the zip folder which we have downloaded earlier. Click on the Upload button. And you can drag and drop your files here, or click on the Select File button. Now it will start uploading. It will take a few minutes. And when it's done, go back to your file manager and click on Reload. Now you will see the CourseFunnel folder has been uploaded. The next thing you want to do is to extract the file. When it's extracted, you can delete the folder for we don't need it anymore. Just click on it and click on the Delete button on the top bar. Moving on to the next process, we have to go to our domain. Enter in your domain URL, then remove the text after /. Then write your folder name, which is course_funnel. It will then lead us to create a configuration for the CourseFunnel. Now select your desired language from the drop-down list over here. Then click on Continue. Here, enter in your database username, database password, database name, and port number if required. For this one, I will create a new database. Here, I'm going back to my hosting site. From the Database section, I'll click on MySQL Database Wizard. Enter in the name for it, and I will write course_funnel. Then click on the next step. Now it will show you a prompt for creating a database user. You can choose any name you want. You then enter in a password of your choice, or you can generate a new one from here. Make sure you copy it in a safe place. For now, I'll be using my own password. Then click on Create User. Now the user is successfully created. Now I'll click on this box to give all privileges to this user. Then go to the next step. You will now see the user is added to the database. Now click here to return to MySQL database. Here in the MySQL database, you will see your databases and users as well as the new one we have created. Now I'll just copy the username here and paste it over here. And make sure you remove extra spaces that we've copied. Next, enter your database password and your database name. Now you can write your port number if you want. For now, it's not necessary to write it because CourseFunnels will automatically connect the default port. So for now, I'll leave it as it is. Then click on Submit. Now it will ask me to put my name, email ID, and password. So enter it all here. Then Submit. It will then take us to the login page. Again, enter in your credentials here and log in. And it will open the dashboard for us. So here you can enter in your email ID. And for the license code, go back to the membership page. Then tap on the Manage Licenses tab. And here you can see all the licenses that you have. You can also generate a new one. Just click on this button. Now you will need to enter the path URL. And to do that, just go to your dashboard and copy the URL and paste it back here. Now generate your new license. After that, copy it and paste it here. And click on Verify. Once it's verified, it will redirect you to the main page to create your course funnels. And you can now start creating your funnel. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.